This is a story about two little dinosaurs. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Pet.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine too. But why are you so sad?
You know, Pet, I'm so tired of being afraid of everything.
And who are you afraid of?
Giant dinosaurs.
Well, we will soon become big.
Still a long time to wait.
Well, yeah.
Oh, if only I could take 1 second and become big.
I would like that too.
Oh, look! And what is it?
Ah, it's an old waterfall. They say that he grants wishes.
Are you serious?
Well, I think these are fairy tales.
Let's make a wish then.
Then we will come back here tonight. Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So, and what should be done?
Don't know. But at 12 o'clock at night, mysterious water flows from it, and you need to drink it.
Then we'll wait. Oh, look! I see something.
Yeah! That's what I was talking about.
Well, let's have a drink. We want to grow up quickly.
Wow! You have become big.
And you too.
Cool!
This is so cool. Now I'm not afraid of anyone.
Yeah, now everyone will be afraid of us.
Woohoo!